Samsung S26 Ultra versus iPhone 17 Pro Max, the ultimate flagship showdown. Two powerhouses, two ecosystems, but only one can be the king. Let's settle this. Samsung S26 Ultra runs Android 16 with One UI 8.5 for full customization and flexibility, and iPhone 17 Pro Max comes with iOS 26, offering a smooth and tightly optimized experience. Samsung S26 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, built for insane speed, high-end gaming, and serious multitasking. On the other side, iPhone 17 Pro Max runs on Apple's A19 Pro, optimized to perfection, delivering smooth performance and top-tier efficiency. S26 Ultra packs an octa-core CPU with two blazing fast cores clocked at 4.74 GHz and six more at 3.62 GHz, pure powerhouse performance. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Pro Max runs a hexa-core setup with two high-performance cores at 4.26 GHz, tuned for insane speed and Apple-level efficiency. Both the S26 Ultra and the iPhone 17 Pro Max are built on a cutting-edge 3nm process, meaning top-tier performance with better power efficiency. S26 Ultra comes equipped with the powerful Adreno 840 GPU, built for high frame rate gaming and heavy graphics performance. Meanwhile, iPhone 17 Pro Max features Apple's custom 6-core GPU, optimized for ultra-smooth visuals and efficient real-world performance. S26 Ultra comes with 12GB and even 16GB RAM options, giving power users extra headroom for heavy multitasking and gaming. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Pro Max sticks with 12GB of RAM, but thanks to Apple's tight optimization, it still feels incredibly smooth in daily use. Both the S26 Ultra and the iPhone 17 Pro Max use LPDDR5X RAM, meaning faster data speeds, better efficiency, and smoother multitasking across the board. S26 Ultra comes in 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB storage options. Plenty of space for apps, photos, and 4K videos. But the iPhone 17 Pro Max goes even further, offering 256GB, 512GB, 1TB, and a massive 2TB option for those who never want to worry about storage. S26 Ultra uses UFS 4.0 storage, super fast for app launches, file transfers, and gaming. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Pro Max runs on NVMe storage, delivering insanely quick read and write speeds with Apple-level optimization. On Antutu, the S26 Ultra crushes it with a massive 3.8 million score, pure flagship dominance. The iPhone 17 Pro Max comes in at 2.67 million. Still powerful, but Samsung clearly takes the lead in raw benchmark numbers. The S26 Ultra features a vibrant AMOLED display with deep blacks and rich colors. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Pro Max uses an OLED panel, delivering sharp visuals and Apple's signature color accuracy. Both the S26 Ultra and the iPhone 17 Pro Max pack a massive 6.9-inch display. Big screens, big experience, no compromises. The S26 Ultra pushes a higher 1440 by 3120 resolution, delivering extra sharp detail and crisp visuals. The iPhone 17 Pro Max comes in at 1320 by 2868, still super sharp, but Samsung takes the edge in pure pixel count. Both the S26 Ultra and the iPhone 17 Pro Max support a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, making scrolling, gaming, and animations feel incredibly fluid. The S26 Ultra supports HDR10+, delivering deeper contrast and more dynamic colors. The iPhone 17 Pro Max supports HDR10, which still provides great HDR quality for videos and streaming. The S26 Ultra reaches up to 2600 nits of peak brightness, already super bright for outdoor use. But the iPhone 17 Pro Max goes even higher at 3000 nits, giving it the edge in direct sunlight. sunlight. The S26 Ultra is protected by Gorilla Armor 2, rated around Mohs Level 6, making it more resistant to scratches in everyday wear. The iPhone 17 Pro Max uses Apple's Ceramic Shield 2 at about Mohs Level 5, still very durable, but Samsung gets the slight edge in scratch protection. The S26 Ultra packs around 500 pixels per inch, delivering extremely sharp and detailed visuals. The iPhone 17 Pro Max comes in at about 460 ppi. Still very crisp, but Samsung holds the slight edge in pixel density. Both the S26 Ultra and the iPhone 17 Pro Max come with an IP68 rating, meaning they're protected against dust and can survive water immersion as well. The Samsung S26 Ultra packs a quad camera setup, a massive 200-megapixel main sensor, plus 10-megapixel and dual 50-megapixel lenses for zoom and ultra-wide shots. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Pro Max uses a triple camera system with three 48-megapixel sensors, delivering consistent quality across wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto shots. The Samsung S26 Ultra lets you shoot video in ultra-high 8K, up to 30 frames per second, perfect for insanely detailed footage. The iPhone 17 Pro Max shoots up to 4K at 120 frames per second, giving you ultra-smooth slow motion and cinematic flexibility. Both the S26 Ultra and the iPhone 17 Pro Max come with optical image stabilization, keeping your photos and videos steady, even in shaky conditions. The Samsung S26 Ultra sports a 12-megapixel front camera, great for selfies and video calls. The iPhone 17 Pro Max steps it up with an 18-megapixel front shooter, delivering sharper and more detailed selfies.
Both the Samsung S26 Ultra and iPhone 17 Pro Max can record front camera video in 4K at up to 60 frames per second, perfect for high-quality selfies and vlogs.
The Samsung S26 Ultra comes with a 5,000 mAh battery for all-day use. The iPhone 17 Pro Max packs a slightly bigger 5,088 mAh battery, giving it a tiny edge in longevity.
The Samsung S26 Ultra supports 60-watt wire charging for super fast top-ups. The iPhone 17 Pro Max charges at 40 watts wired, still fast, but a bit slower compared to Samsung.
Both the S26 Ultra and iPhone 17 Pro Max support 25-watt wireless charging, letting you power up without plugging in.
The Samsung S26 Ultra is priced at $1,299, while the iPhone 17 Pro Max comes in slightly lower at $1,199, a $100 difference to consider when choosing your next flagship.
So, which one takes the crown? The Samsung S26 Ultra dominates in sheer specs, higher resolution cameras, 8K video, and faster wired charging. The iPhone 17 Pro Max, however, shines with smooth iOS optimization, slightly better battery life, and that perfectly tuned Apple ecosystem. At the end of the day, it comes down to what you value more, raw power and features, or seamless performance and ecosystem. Drop your pick in the comments, smash that like button if this helped, and don't forget to follow for more ultimate tech showdowns. See you in the next one.